Hey, to check your body composition using the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all, just put your watch on your wrist. Just be sure that you actually put it a little bit higher than your wrist. So I mean, like right here, above this part when you actually bend your wrist. So get like one finger away of it, and then you will have to go into the Samsung Health application. You will have to move into the body composition, and then tap to measure. So now you will actually get this pop-up information on your watch. Select your gender, then pick your height and click done. Now input your weight and go into the done. Now we have to keep in mind that body composition monitor is for fitness and wellness. There we go. Also some kind of the information that we don't have to measure if we have an implanted pacemaker or other implanted medical devices. Then click on the how to measure. Now we have to move our watch higher on the wrist. So this is actually what I told you. Then we have to place the middle fingers like this. We don't have to touch our watch. We have to touch only our watch. We have to only touch our watch with the fingers, not our skin. And now we can actually start. So we have to place it, and now we have to just keep holding. We have to keep touching the buttons. We don't have to actually press on them, just gently touch them. We have to raise our arms. We have to stay still. Just follow on-screen instructions. And now, as you can see, the first body composition is actually finished. There we go. We can see result here, but also we are actually redirected into the application, and we've got the base information, the fat mass, the muscle, the body fat, the BMI, the base metabolic rate. There we go. And as you can see, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.